Hi guys, today I'm going to open box this iHelicopters. It doesn't come with the remote control because it uses the iPhone, iPad, or iPod to be the controller. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Here's a small accessory bag. It comes with USB charger, a spare main blade, spare tail blade, and 2 connecting buckles. And here's the English manual. It teaches you how to set up with the iPhone, iPad. This helicopter is very durable. It's with the metal body frame and also flexible blades. And here's a receiver. It used to plug into the iPhones. Next, I'm going to show you how to set up with the iPhone. Now I'm going to show you how to set up with the iPhone. First, go to the App Store and search iHelicopter. It should be on the first one, and it's free download. And you hit install and download. In my phone, already downloaded, so just go to the iHelicopter app. First, you're gonna plug into the receiver, and then go into the app. And here's the controller page. You hit go, and then no will pop up says please turn on the helicopter. Here's the helicopter. Turn it on and press OK. Now select your model. Here's the controller. And here is the stroller. Direction stick and the chair, on and off switch, rotate button, light switch on and off, and up here is the move motion select. Up here is the ID select. If you fly 2 or more helicopters, you select different channels. When you turn on the controller, the receiver light will be on. Now it's ready to fly.